Hey friends, and welcome to the Paparazzi Stars podcast. Here we chat about all things paparazzi. Tips, tricks, suggestions, and weekly challenges. All to help you grow and explode your paparazzi accessories business to rockstar success. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another exciting, awesome, amazing episode of the Paparazzi Stars podcast. My name is Anya Bohm, and today I am your show host. Today we're going to be talking about the Fashion Fix, what it is and why you should be on it. So have you heard of the Fashion Fix yet? Lots of people are talking about it. It's kind of all over Facebook. If not, then this is the show for you. Let's talk about why the Fashion Fix is something that you don't want to miss. Okay, before we jump into that though, if you are busy, you can't quite take notes, maybe you don't really think you need to take notes now, but then in a minute you're going to need them, head on over to paparockstars.com/fashion-fix, because that's what we're talking about today, the Fashion Fix. Again, that's paparockstars with an S.com/fashion fix. There you're going to find all of the show notes. I took them for you. They're right there. And the awesome the call image that we'll talk about in just 1 second. You'll also be able to check in for the call challenge, say how you're doing, what's going on there for you, or even get some ideas from some other people who have completed the challenge and you want to see how things are going for them. So again, paparockstars.com/fashion-fix. Now I did forget to mention that I have my little co-host with me today, Baby D. She is 5 months old as of, it is April 2016. So if you're listening to this in the future, you can kind of guess how old she is. But if you hear any cute little baby noises while I'm recording, that is why. She is my show host today, huh? So, okay, let's go ahead and talk about the call image. Now, this one is specially for you guys, for consultants, but if you have customers that are addicted to the Fashion Fix like I am, then this image will be perfect for you. It is one of the amazing paparazzi fashion models wearing a Fashion Fix, and it's got a cute border and of course the paparazzi logo, and the words say it's Fashion Fix time. So you can use this to post in your groups or on your Facebook before you post the Fashion Fix items, when you're going to take pre-orders for them, which we'll talk about later on in the show. But when you are talking about the Fashion Fix, you want them to know that that's what you're talking about. So that's why this image is perfect for you. Again, find that over at paparockstars.com/fashion-fix. Okay, training time. So let's talk Fashion Fix. Have you heard of it? If you've been listening to the call already, then you have, because I've been talking about it. Maybe you've heard about it from other places on Facebook or from paparazzi. You're just not quite sure what it is. Well, let's talk about it. It is an amazing set of pieces that you as a consultant can get every month. Now let's talk about why you should get the Fashion Fix. The Fashion Fix, number one, it makes you an active consultant each month for the rank of executive director or lower. So the 25 pieces or 50 PV that are in the Fashion Fix make it so that you will be eligible for your downline commissions check each month. It's like a set it and forget it kind of thing. Once you're on the Fashion Fix, you'll never have to worry if you've ordered enough each month to be active. Now, truly, if you're an active consultant, you're going to be ordering more than that anyways. That's why the other reasons are also important. If you are growing a team, the Fashion Fix is also a great way to get them to be active each month too. Now, this means that you're more likely to hit your rank each month or higher ranks, and you're more likely to hit Crown Club achievements. Be sure and talk to your team about the importance of joining the Fashion Fix shortly after they join paparazzi. If you haven't talked to them about the Fashion Fix, there's no better time than right now. Okay? Number two, the Fashion Fix is a box of jewelry that arrives on your doorstep every month, just like clockwork. These pieces in the Fashion Fix aren't released yet. You haven't seen them in your back office. Probably nothing even like them. They're that amazing. You're going to get a sneak peek before anybody else. The Fashion Fix ships out on the 20th of each month, and then on the 5th of the following month, the pieces are released exclusively for the people on the Fashion Fix and for their customers. So it is April right now. I will get a box on my doorstep, usually around the 23rd or the 24th, because it ships out on the 20th. And then between when I get it and the 5th of May, that is when I have to show it to my customers, to talk about it, to wear it, to pre-sell it. And then on the 5th of May, actually it's midnight the 5th, so like the 4th at midnight o'clock, you can get on and order these pieces. And I'm telling you, people stay up. You have to. We call it the Fashion Fix Frenzy, because sometimes we'll talk about this in a little bit, but you want to get those pieces for your customers. If they are counting on them, if they have pre-ordered them, then you want to get them for them. Okay. So also on the 5th, if you get the Fashion Fix, your customers, they can order it exactly the same time that consultants do. They release them to your customers and to consultants at the same time. If you are not on the Fashion Fix, you do not get this released to you on that day. So it's kind of a good thing for your customers. Okay. Let's see. Because you are on the Fashion Fix, you have jewelry that not everybody has, which is kind of cool. There's an exclusive number of people that are getting these pieces. You get the latest and the best fashions for you and your customers. It's customer service, people. These pieces may or may not be released for the rest of Paparazzi. If an item is still available 15 days after it's released for purchase to fashion fixers, then it's going to be released to the rest of Paparazzi and to their customers. So like we were talking about before, so for the May Fashion Fix, the preview comes in April on the 20th, comes to your door a couple days after that. It's released for you to purchase May 5th. And then if it is still available, if the items have not sold out, May 20th is when it's going to be available to all the regular consultants and to their customers. To be honest though, in like the 2 years that I've been doing the Fashion Fix, there's only a few items that haven't sold out before then. And some items sell out in the first 12 hours or less. I have seen some of the Fashion Fix pieces sell out in as little as 5 minutes. They are that amazing. These are pieces you want to get your hands on, people. Okay, reason number 3. Paparazzi knows how to spoil us. They have the most amazing sets in the Fashion Fix. They are stunning, they're hip, and they are super popular. Kind of like we just talked about a minute ago. They're going to sell fast. So to get your hands on the best and most amazing pieces, the Fashion Fix is definitely the way to go. Number 4, the jewelry you get in the Fashion Fix are stylized sets. Now, this means that they're coordinated by the paparazzi stylists to match. If you have people that like matchy-matchy, this is what they're going to want. Now, the Fashion Fix items are grouped into the 5 different style trends so that there's something for everyone in each box. Now, if you haven't heard of the 5 trends, they're basically the different styles that people like. Some are more hip and edgy, some are more classic. Some are very on trend with the colors and the brightest and the boldest. So there are 5 that paparazzi stylists have identified. And the Fashion Fix, they are grouped into each of those sets, one of each. They're also identified by name: Simply Santa Fe, Magnificent Musings, Fiercely Fifth Avenue. I'm not remembering the other ones, and I didn't write them down. Sorry, but there are 5, and the Fashion Fix sets are divided into these 5 different sets. Now, it also comes with tip cards so that your customers will know how to wear these items. It comes with a model modeling these, not an actual model in your box, but pictures of a model wearing these pieces so that people can look at these and say, oh yeah, ooh, I like that look. That's what I want right there. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's get on to reason number 5. Number 5, you can take pre-orders for these pieces. Now, I've mentioned this a couple times, but I wanted to highlight this because it is so awesome. Usually, we do not know when pieces are coming available. Like, you can go to Empower Me Pink, or you can go to convention, or even sometimes they'll release sneak peeks online of pieces that are coming available, but you don't have them in your hot little hands to show your customers and to sell to them, or on Facebook when you post your pictures, or wearing them around town. you'll get an idea, but you don't know exactly when it's coming out. Well, the Fashion Fix, you know exactly when it's coming out. You know exactly what they look like, and you know that they can be put into a set and people can buy the sets. So when you get the Fashion Fix on your door, then you can start showing people and saying, hey, do you want some of this? This is pretty awesome. You can sell them as complete sets or individual pieces. The choice is up to you. You can purchase them both ways when they come available online in your back office. Just a tip on that point. Personally, I don't take my customers' money until I have the set for them. Just in case it does sell out before I can get it. You know, something weird happens or you never know. Excuse me. So I will put them on Facebook or show my customers, and then I will write down how many of each item I need. Then when I'm able to successfully order them, that is when I will bill my customers, or when I deliver it to them, that's when I'll get the money for them. Number 6, the next reason why you should be on Fashion Fix is because of the consultant exclusive pieces. Now, I really haven't mentioned this yet, so this is pretty awesome. With each order of the Fashion Fix, there are five pieces of exclusive jewelry that they're never going to be released for purchase in the same styles or colors. Now, you might see one later with a different color or a slightly different style, but they will never be the same as the exclusives that are in the Fashion Fix. And they're pretty awesome. You can keep them, sell them, or use them to help you book parties. It's totally up to you, but I absolutely love the consultant exclusives, and I can't wait each month to see what they are. I usually end up keeping several of them. I'm not gonna lie there. Okay, number 7. Got to keep things moving along here. The final reason why I recommend being on the Fashion Fix is because normally when you order, you get one free piece of jewelry, or a hostess exclusive is what they call it, for each 10 items that you purchase. So this would mean with the 25 pieces that you buy in the Fashion Fix, you usually get 2 free pieces. But because Paparazzi loves us so much, like so much, you get double the free items. That means 4 hostess exclusives, 4 free pieces, that's 4, come with your Fashion Fix. Pretty awesome, right? Now, the Fashion Fix is so amazing that there is currently a waiting list to even be on it. From what I hear, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to a month or 2 to get on it. In order to be put on the list, you need to call Paparazzi customer service today. I'll give you their number in just a second. And the friendly, helpful people on the other end can get you added to the list. Are you ready for that number? I'm going to give it to you twice just in case I say it too fast. 855-697-2727. Again, this is Paparazzi customer service. 855-697-2727. Now, Paparazzi customer service, just tell them you want to be added to the Fashion Fix waiting list. They'll ask you for a few things like your consultant ID and a couple other things just to make sure they have everything ready for when you get on the Fashion Fix. Then when you do get on the list, when your name comes up and you get put on the list, they'll send you an email letting you know, yay, you're on the Fashion Fix, woo! Okay, another thing I should mention is when you get on the list, it's best to do anything and everything you can do to stay on the list. Now, I'm not just saying that because I want your money, because we all know that a lot of you aren't even on my team, and that's awesome. It's not all about the money. The reason I'm telling you this is because I've heard of some consultants who canceled their Fashion Fix just thinking, oh, it's okay, I'll just get back on a month or 2. There's a different waiting list for those people that have canceled it, because Paparazzi wants to give the chance for new consultants and people that have never been on the Fashion Fix before to get on the Fashion Fix. So if you're on it and you cancel it, the waiting list, it's over a year long, people. I've had a consultant on the waiting list for a year because she canceled, and now she's on the waiting list, and it is taking her forever. And she's dying inside because she's like, man, if I just would have known, I would not have canceled it. So I'm helping you out here, letting you know, if you get on the Fashion Fix, do anything and everything you can to stay on it, okay? You do not want to miss out on these amazing pieces, plus all the free and exclusive items. There isn't anything else like this in Paparazzi, and I promise you that you will sell them, and I promise you that you want the exclusive stuff, because it's awesome. Okay, call challenge. Who is ready? This week it's pretty easy. I just challenge you to call and get yourself added to the Paparazzi Fashion Fix waiting list. Now, if you're already on the waiting list, hang in there. It's coming. Your time's coming. You'll get on there. You'll get it soon. And if you're already receiving the Fashion Fix, post about it in your sales group or on your social media account, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you post about it. Better yet, do a video. Show your customers how amazing it is. Have an amazing week, people. Thank you again for listening. Now, if you have enjoyed listening to the call today, head on over to iTunes and leave me a quick rating or review. That is going to help other consultants find this training show and let iTunes know how awesome it is. A little pat on my back right there. But seriously, it only takes a minute and I really do appreciate it. And that's what's going to make it so that I can keep giving you these amazing shows week after week with awesome trainings to all of Paparazzi. You can invite your team, your friends, even people that are thinking of joining your team so that they know what kind of awesome training is available for Paparazzi. Okay, go make it an amazing week and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye.